Ever wondered what magic a simple weathered wood pallet holds? Today, we're transforming this humble material into a beautiful raised garden bed, perfect for your favorite herbs like fresh, aromatic basil. Let's dive into this exciting DIY project and bring some green to your space. First, safety first. Always wear protective gear when working with tools. We'll start by sanding down the rough edges for a smooth, splinter-free finish. This step ensures durability and a pleasant aesthetic for your new garden bed. A little effort now saves a lot of trouble later, making it safe for plants and people. Look at the difference a good sanding makes. Ready for the next step. Next, we need to line our pallet to hold the soil and ensure proper drainage. Landscape fabric is perfect for preventing soil erosion and controlling weeds. Carefully fit the fabric, ensuring it covers all sides and corners of the pallet. Secure it firmly with a staple gun, making it taut and ready for soil. This creates a strong, breathable base for your plants to thrive. Now for the heart of our garden, nutrient-rich organic potting soil. Choosing the right soil is crucial for healthy, thriving herbs. Gently fill the bed, leaving some space at the top for watering and growth. Distribute the soil evenly, creating a level surface for planting. Our raised bed is almost ready for its green inhabitants. Today, we're planting fragrant, fresh basil, a kitchen staple. Carefully remove the basil from its nursery pot, being gentle with the roots. Dig small holes, spaced appropriately for healthy growth. Gently place each basil plant into its new home, giving it space to flourish. Firmly pat the soil around the base of each plant to secure it. Give your new basil a good drink of water to help it settle in. Watch these vibrant leaves flourish in the sun, ready for your culinary adventures. And there you have it, a beautiful, functional, raised garden bed. Transformed from a simple pallet into a thriving herb garden. This project is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and home gardeners alike. Embrace sustainable living and add a touch of rustic charm to your outdoor space. What will you plant in your upcycled garden bed? Share your creations in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more creative gardening tutorials.